Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is your Orkut Barini. For all the new subscribers, I will be helping you with the process of pursuing masters in UK. You might be considering options such as US, Canada, Australia and UK. I will be telling you exact reasons why you have to pursue your masters in UK. Without any further delay, let's get started. Why UK? A country that is not only famous for its fish and chips and red buses or royal family, UK is home for one of the world's best universities, and the top 200 universities are situated in UK. Today I'll be telling you what universities you have to choose and what are the best universities in UK that comes under top 200. So here I'll be sharing you the list. After my thorough research, these are few best universities one has to consider while applying to colleges or universities. You guys can pause the video and take a screenshot, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to reach me and comment in the comment section. So now I'll be naming few advantages of pursuing masters in UK. Your first advantage is no language barrier. As UK is English speaking country, you don't have to learn a new language. English is well spoken all over India and it is the second language in India, so you don't need a Google translator to speak to the locals. I guess this is really advantage because countries like German or Spain, you have to learn German if you want to speak to the locals or if you want to get to know the culture of the country. The second advantage of pursuing masters in UK is UK degrees are well recognized all over the world. After you pursue your masters in UK, you can go back to your country or you can move to Canada or USA for job opportunities. So these degrees are well recognized all over the world. Unlike any other countries, UK master program is just 1 year long. It is not 2 year long. So this in turn will save your money and your time, and the same syllabus which you'll be learning in 2 years time, you'll be completing in just 1 year. Generally, UK courses are just 1 year long. If you want to opt for a placement year, you can go for it. The placement year will give you an opportunity to extend your visa for 1 year, and this will also give you an additional work experience which you can add to your resume. The next advantage of pursuing masters in UK is, unlike other countries like USA where you'll be getting only 1 year for looking for job opportunities, here you get in 2 years. This is termed as PSW, that is post-study work visa, where you have 2 years in your hand for looking for job opportunities. The last advantage of pursuing masters in UK is UK degrees are way economical than other countries. You don't have to spend a lot of bucks to complete your masters in UK. Adding to this point, few universities will give you a waive off if you have 75% in your 12th class. You don't have to take an IELTS exam while applying to the universities. These are few advantages why exactly you have to choose UK over other countries. Part-time jobs. Students can work up to 20 hours while studying and can work up to 40 hours while they are on vacation. This will give an opportunity to relieve from financial stress. Visa. It is quite easy to obtain a UK student visa. The process is simpler and transparent, unlike other countries. UK visa has highest approval rate. The rejection rate is just 1 to 2%. The rejection is mainly because if you do not submit your financial documents properly. Submit all your documents properly and consider your visa will get approved. After 2 years, you can move from post-study work visa to skilled worker visa by acquiring a job from a company that provides visa sponsorship. After 5 years, if you continue to work in a skilled work visa, you will be eligible to apply for permanent residence in UK. Apart from all the educational benefits of pursuing masters in UK is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. The island is surrounded by greenery, castles, great architecture and beautiful churches. Also, not to forget about the climatic conditions of UK. Like Canada, UK doesn't have rough winter conditions. One coming from countries like India, Pakistan or China can easily survive with the weather conditions in UK. Tip guys, do carry your umbrella when you're going out because oh my god guys, it rains a lot. If you found this video interesting and informative, do hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified about my next video. Please subscribe and hit the like button, as this is the only way that will motivate me to upload more videos. Thank you guys, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section below. Until then, signing off, your Arcot Barney.